1, 2, 3.
Alright, now I do have some bad news.
Oh boy.
I don't know where my tuner is, so I can't use my race tune. But, I mean, whatever.
So we're coming up with excuses already.
We got them already, buddy. I don't think I put it. I looked all over for it. I can't find it.
Already coming up with the excuses. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve, and this is my F450. If you guys have been on the channel for a while, you see that Street Speed 717 and I have a little bit of a back and forth kind of rivalry, I guess you'd call it, or you know, just a little fun battle back and forth. But he's really talking crap lately, posting on things saying that his truck will beat my truck in a race, and we all know hands down that would never happen. The Ford would never lose to a Chevy. So basically we're getting her all warmed up here, get her little high idle down. We're gonna climb up in the old bag girl here, and we're gonna go over there and answer some questions to him, and we're gonna show him that he barked up the wrong tree today. So got all my GoPros, we're off to Mexico. So I wanted to kind of talk about the truck a little bit and just kind of tell you guys a little bit of a rundown. So basically I am tuned. We do have a tuner, as you can tell. It is Torque Technology, which I get a bunch of questions as to what tuner I run. And basically we have a few different levels here we can choose from. I tend to like level 3. That is where we are going to leave it at. We could turn it up because we do actually have head studs in this engine, but we're not going to turn it up because we don't need all that. We could probably turn it down to basically just a tow tune, a little bit over stock, you know, 50-60 wheel horsepower, and we would be able to beat that Duramax. So I don't think Mike really understands what he's getting himself into. Anybody who knows Ford Powerstrokes, the 6.4, when it is running, it is a rocket ship, to say the least. So I'm excited because the time he was in the truck and we did kind of like a little pool thing, I was just kind of goofing around with him, and he definitely thought that his truck would beat mine, and I gotta tell you, it ain't never gonna happen. So we're gonna get down here. We are gonna talk a little poop probably between the two of us, and then we are going to full send them. So I can't wait. I'm getting excited. Again, like I said, stage 3. Again, we're just on level 3. It does go up to level 4 by the push of a button. As you can see, now we're 4, but we don't need that. We run around in 3 because, I don't know, that's just the one I like. Normally I do keep it on like a 2 if I have a trailer on the back, or a 1 if I have a trailer on the back, but 3 is optimum for just driving around and having some fun. Now here I'll give you guys a little, basically a little pull from 40. That's definitely more than enough to get the old Duramax. Who's excited? Who do you think's gonna win? Drop your comments down below. Ford or Chevy? Oh, there he is, boys. I cannot wait to spank that tail. Might as well go out here and talk a little cheddar cheese. Well, I'll be. Look who we got. Look who's here. I can't help but notice that it's starting to have a little bit of weather here.
Shit, it is.
Yeah, in good old
Luckily
Mexico.
not in our cars.
Yeah, exactly. I'm okay with this one.
See, it's funny because like as I was walking out the door, you know, Gina said be careful.
Yes.
But I was like, babe, we're gonna race, but we're not even gonna go over to the speed limit.
Yeah,
like
absolutely.
if we get to the speed limit, that'll be incredible. So
if any of us get the 70 or 80 mile an hour, it's gonna be insane. Yeah. Stopping is gonna be the challenge.
Yeah.
I don't know how hard your truck is to stop, but mine's not really fun to,
hard to stop.
Yeah, mine's not fun to stop. But I'm excited.
I think it'll be really fun.
I think we're gonna need 4-wheel drive because it's literally sleeting.
You're making me nervous with all the shit talking, dude. You're really confident.
Oh, we know it's gonna win.
You really think?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think he's awfully confident.
It's a no-brainer. It's like the McLaren versus DFR. Oh,
It better not be that. Better not be that
oh,
bad.
it's gonna be that bad.
Oh shit.
I even have the GoPro facing back.
Yeah, your GoPro is backwards, so that's
Yeah.
reference level 1000.
Yes,
Got your light bar on there.
I got the light bar on there. I gotta show you something off screen then too.
But you need help getting to the finish line.
You mean it's gonna be behind me so I can pull you?
Wrap it around the back.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Tuck it underneath. Yeah.
Well, I'm also at an aerodynamic advantage because of my cap.
What?
Yeah, we know that pickup trucks work better without the cap aerodynamically.
What about
That's
the
true.
What about the
Mythbusters
wide
did
fender
that.
back there?
Well, that's nice and streamlined. You're fine.
No, no,
My
no.
tires stick out. I have like giant rectangles sticking out of the side. Giant air brakes.
I got the same in the back.
I don't think so.
I'm excited because if this goes well, I'm going home and we have a new mod for the truck.
What's that?
Yeah, if this goes well, I
If
can't.
it doesn't
yeah.
go well, then what happens?
I still go do the same mod. It just sounded a lot better saying if this goes well. Yeah. So I'm excited because you're what? After I win, you're gonna detail the truck?
Yeah, we're gonna take the trucks to get detailed.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Oh, it is really sweet. This
It,
sucks.
yeah, it's. I didn't know Mexico had this kind of weather.
Oh, look, you can see it.
Yeah, look at the hood of mine. You're. Yeah.
Well, what are we doing? What are we doing?
It's your race. Whatever role you want.
No,
You want to dig?
I don't do races in this.
I don't really race in this either, unless I'm at cruise week and it's raining. Then I do.
Okay, let's do a comment below what role we should do. I'm thinking we do like a
20?
like a 20.
Like where do you?
Okay.
20
I don't
to
know what
70?
year we're in, or like,
Yeah.
I have no idea.
I don't usually race this, and when I do, I just hammer down. I don't.
Yeah,
There's
I
no
race
like
John and
shifting.
Raptor, I just hammer down.
Yeah, that's it. That's
But
all
I
I
have my
got.
race tune then.
Oh, excuses. All right, well, let's go get her done.
Steve is awfully confident. I really don't know. I'm not going to be overconfident. Usually I'm very confident, but I don't know. I don't race my truck, so I don't know. I know it runs.
I feel like I told him to call somebody
It runs
and
low
ask
15.
him, and he called and asked his advice.
My truck has run multiple times, a low 15-second quarter mile.
I think it's the 13-second truck.
Yeah, it's a 13-second truck.
You're gonna see the difference. You're gonna see. You're gonna see.
We're in the sleet. This sucks.
Well,
Breathe my ass off.
and the benefit is we have 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Our cars don't.
All right, so what are we doing?
Whatever, you pick. Look at the guy on a little 6x6 out here in Mexico. You see some silly things out here. Oh, he's going for it. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We got him, boys. We got him, boys. Woo! We gotta do the 4 ways like we're racers. Gaptized. There.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. We're coming back on it, don't worry. Don't worry, we got this. We got it. Yeah, baby. Now at the beginning, she was spinning a little hard. She was spinning there. I should have showed you the traction like flashing. 1, 2, 3. That is another huge exciting win for Ford for us, guys. We even let him get the hit and we still came around him. Boy, am I excited. That was a good race. That was a lot of fun. Glad we finally settled this debacle too.
Let me set up my camera here.
Oh, we gotta do it again?
Yeah, we got to do it again. I didn't have my camera set up the whole time.
Unbelievable.
Terrible footage.
Mine, I don't know what, mine's probably just staring at the mirror.
From the top end.
Yeah. I literally wanted to put this in like my performance mode too. But I was like, nope, I'm leaving it where she's at.
All right now.
I think I'm putting it in 4-wheel drive this time too.
4-wheel.
Yeah, dude, all I did was spin.
All right. Slide on back over here.
All right. So you're ready to lose for a third?
I'm ready to lose so it looks good on camera.
So, okay, it's just gotta look good on camera. All right, fair enough. Let's do this.
I can't believe you came back on I had you. I'm so excited.
No.
It's coming back.
The only reason you stayed out, like I had video, like you'll see it in my video, my traction control was on. It was just going. Yeah, see? Unbelievable. All right, so there's gotta be a reason he wants to do this again other than camera placement, which is fine with me. I'm okay with it. We'll get out here and we'll stomp her to the rug again.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Do we even see him back there in the rear view? That's another win for Ford, guys. That time we kept it in 4-wheel drive, so that was the deciding factor there. 4-wheel drive. One, 2, 3. How many times do you want me to beat you, Mike? This can't look good for your videos. Now you can see there, guys, I did put in 4-wheel drive those last 2 races. Oh, he did a Ricer flyby. So when you guys watch his video, he's gonna make it look like he won by the Ricer flyby. I wasn't on a race tune.
The Duramax is not built for speed. She's built for off-roading and comfort. And the 450 coming back on the top end.
The 450's a monster.
I can't believe it.
So the last 2 races there, I put it in 4-wheel drive so it didn't spin, and that's why like it pulled out on you that good. Oh yeah.
Well, that was fun.
Now, as we do know, this isn't built for speed either.
That's true.
This is a brick shit house.
That's true.
Like this truck isn't designed for the stuff we were just doing.
What year is this?
This is an 08.
And what power level?
That was a level 3 tune.
Okay.
I do go to 4, but I don't like to push it on 4 because I don't trust it.
Like I estimate I should have around like 300 wheel horsepower and like 700 wheel torque.
Mine should be right around like 5
Okay.
horse and
Sounds about right.
maybe 8 torque.
I'm proud of you.
Somewhere in there.
The 450 did well.
I'm proud of
Not
you.
a hit to her.
I told you this truck's no joke. When the engine light's off so your people can see. There's no engine light. We got that addressed.
So in other words, it's much faster now than it was on the limp mode because
Absolutely. When we did the tug of war and everything, I was all in limp mode.
Jogged faster than you were accelerating.
Definitely. Remember, guys, I told you about that little clip. I did goof around with him a little bit. My foot wasn't the wholly to the rug.
Oh, sure. Now, the important thing to note here is that both of these trucks are much faster than Greg A's trucks.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Greg A doesn't stand a chance.
No.
Yeah. I'd leave it in 2-wheel drive all the races against Greg A.
Oh, same.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even use.
I even called him to come out. He wouldn't show up. He was scared. Yeah. Scared. All my people want me to do I think my people want me to get a Mustang.
You think?
It ain't gonna happen though.
Are you like a Ford?
Yeah.
Are you like a Ford guy now?
I'm not a Ford guy. I'm just I like all vehicles, all brands.
On YouTube, they want you to have like a specific loyalty.
Yeah. Yep.
That's the one thing that's for sure.
Yeah, and it drives me insane because I like to have fun with everybody. Like everybody knows, like I just joke around, but everyone's like, "Oh, you're biased on Ford now. Don't you have a Chevrolet as your race car?" It's like,
well, look at
well,
what
yeah, I do.
Like I have a McLaren now. It's like I like all kinds of different cars.
Yeah,
it's not my fault.
Definitely, I like what I like. So there you have it. I handed him his tail. Now he's got to detail the truck. All right, guys. So there you have it. The dirty going one way. I'm going the other. He's going to pout, and I'm going to celebrate. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So there you have it, guys. If you like the content, let us know down below what you guys want to see us do with the trucks. Like, we're literally just out here having fun with the trucks, and I'm okay to do more videos. You guys let us know. My tug of war video did absolutely amazing. If that's stuff you guys want to see, more off-roading, things like that, with the F450 and the Duramax, let me know. Drop a comment down below. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you in the next upload.